apparently Rough Diamond Recipes has 2,500 subscribers now. So we'd like to give a personal thank you to every single one of them. So thank you very much, one and all. So just for fun, we thought we'd do a quick flashback of some of the recipes we've done. Hope you enjoy them. When my wife watched the clips back of this video, she said I can't remember half of these. She might not be able to remember the recipes we've done, but she never forgets I left the toilet seat up on our honeymoon. Oh no. So I'd like to say a big thank you again to all our subscribers. Hopefully we see you soon in the coming months. Bye for now.